Hello guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I would like to show you how to make a blanket with our new yarn, cotton tube yarn, and we will be using pink color, and we will be making small lap throw, and the pattern will be double ribbon. So look how gorgeous this blanket looks. The great features of this yarn is extremely durable and it's pretty soft yet. This yarn is children and pets friendly, and the main thing about this yarn, when it's dirty you can just throw it in the washing machine and wash it because it's easily washable. So this size of the blanket is 30 by 50. Let me show you the size. This size is enough to throw on your lap when you're sitting on the couch and watching TV. It's changing the color. So this is actually a really beautiful pink color. So if you're ready, I will show you how to make it. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. So this is the tail. This is our working yarn, and we're starting as usually with the loop. So you're making a loop with working yarn on the top of the tail. Insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. This is your first stitch. Make it smaller or bigger depending how big stitch you want. We will keep it about 3 inches like that. Now we will make a chain. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. This is your second stitch, and now we will make 12 stitches like that. So we have 2. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. 3, 4, 5, and this cotton tube yarn is very strong because it's made from cotton, and on the top and inside there is this feeling, and it's the main positive character of this yarn that it's washable. So let's count. 1, you're counting by these holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So as I said, this yarn is very durable and easy to take care, and it's still very soft and looking nice. So we have a chain of 12 stitches. Now flip it over like that, and now we will be using the knots in the middle of the chain. So this is our first stitch and we're just leaving it here. This is the knot that we're using. We're lifting it, inserting our hands inside, grabbing working yarn, pull it out. This is our second stitch. Now the same with the next knot. You can see knot here, lift it, grab working yarn and pull it through. We will keep doing it for 12 times because we have 12 stitches, and when we are done with pulling out the first row, then we will start our pattern. So here is our last stitch on the row. See the last bump over here? This will be our last stitch. So we have 12 stitches. You can see that they're pretty big, 3.5 inches at least, because this yarn is quite bulky. So what we're doing now? Now we are knitting this first. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out, and the second one the same. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. This is 2 knitted stitches. Now working yarn goes on the top in front of you on the top of the stitch, and you're pushing it through like that. Keep it the same way in front, and then push it through the stitch. We just made 2 purled stitches. Now we're making 2 knitted stitches again, 1 and 2 knitted stitches made by inserting your hand inside, grab working yarn and pull it out. And now we're back to making 2 purled ones. So working yarn on the top in front of you, and you pulled it through the stitch. Make sure that your stitches are all the same size. Also, make sure that you're not missing any stitches, that you're not skipping them, because if you skip it, then you will need to unwind the whole blanket to fix it. So again, 2 last stitches, we are making 2 purled stitches. Here we are. So this is our 2 by 2 ribbon pattern on a cotton tube yarn. So next row we will be doing the same stitches as in the first one, meaning this is these 2 are purled. It means that we will be purling them again. So again, working yarn goes inside the stitch, pull it out, and it's on the top, and push it through the stitch. This is your second 2 purl stitches. Now these 2 guys are knitted, and you can see it because they look like chain. That means that they are knitted, so it means that you need to knit them again. Insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. Next 2 are purled, and you can see it because you have these 2 bumps on the top. When you have 2 bumps, means you need to purl these 2 guys again. So the working yarn on the top, push it through 1 and 2. I'm working on rhymes. And next 2 knitted. Make sure that they're not twisting like that, because it will change your pattern. It will not look as beautiful as it should. And now 2 purled ones. Push yarn through 2 times to make 2 purled ones, and then 2 knitted. So what we have now, you can see already that the pattern started to form, and this is a beautiful pattern 2 by 2, and on the cable on the cotton tube yarn, it will look really beautiful. So you keep doing the same way until you're done with all of your yarn, and then I will come back and show you how to finish it. Okay guys, so we are ready. We used all our yarn, and we are now ready to cast off. So we are gonna do it from the left to the right, because that's how I yarn laying down. So take the first stitch and add another one. Now you have 2 on your hand. Now grab working yarn and pull it through these 2 stitches. Now you just needed 2 into 1. Keep it on your hand, and then working yarn on the back, add another stitch. You have 2, and push working yarn through. This is your second one, and you can see that the chain is forming, beautiful chain on the top. So now 1 is on your hand, add another one, and pull the working yarn through. Keep this 1 on your hand, working yarn on the back, take next stitch and push it through. Keep doing this way until you're done with all your stitches. Don't miss any stitches, and here is our last one. So we just knitted the whole row. So here it's all done. And now we can finish it. You have this one last stitch. Take the tail, insert it inside and pull it through. And I will not be cutting it because I will be using this yarn yet. So now you have this one stitch finished like that, and this will be just one piece of yarn hanging, and you're just hiding it on the back like that. So now it's all finished, beautiful, cast off. Here's our gorgeous blanket, all finished, and you can find this tube yarn on BeCozi.net. It's on sale now, so you can grab some until it's all gone. Stay home and be cozy.